I'm sure you've heard the news. The 2024 HOBY Korea Young Scholars Conference is where future leaders are born. This September 28th and 29th. Immerse yourself in a 2-day virtual adventure designed to make you a changemaker. With lectures from Ivy League professors, hands-on workshops, and the chance to present your research. You'll learn how to use research to tackle global challenges. Hosted by HOBY Korea and EASE, this conference is open to all middle and high school students. Yes, that means you. Explore 3 exciting tracks: paper presentation, research mentoring, and the open track. Dive into data analysis, visualization sessions, and free speech events. Earn certificates, receive feedback from top university professors, and even get your research published in the HOBY Korea Journal. This is your chance to shine on a global stage and shape tomorrow's world with research-driven insights. So what are you waiting for? Visit HOBY Korea for more details and be part of this incredible opportunity. Let's lead with insight and create positive change.